Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to set up Firebase CLI in our system, Windows and Mac, and also we are going to host our website on Firebase for free. Also, we are going to try to get a free unique domain from Firebase. So let's begin. Now, if I go to my browser, if you go to get started with hosting on Firebase, you will go there. It will ask you to first set up a Firebase project. This we will set up later when we will start when we will host our website. So for now, the first step is to install the CLI. So if we go to this website, Firebase CLI reference, and there you can see all the options for Windows, Mac or Linux, whichever operating system you want to install it. So for me, it's macOS. For Windows, you can directly download the CLI binary. And for macOS, there is one curl command. So if we copy this command and let's paste this, it will ask for your password. Let me do that. Okay, so see, Firebase CLI is already there. Sorry, I entered my password wrong. And for me, it's already there, so I don't have to do anything. Next step is to do the login. We have to log in into the Firebase. Okay, for that you have to type Firebase login. It will be same for Windows and Mac or Linux. So once you do this, it will say for me, I'm logged in from my email ID. For you, it will redirect to your browser, your default browser, and from there you will be able to log in. Okay. Once this is done, means your initial Firebase setup has been done. Okay. Now let's go towards our project. So this is one of the project which I have created. I have zoomed it out a little bit so that you can see it properly. So this is a simple portfolio website. Okay. Now we are going to host it. Okay. First, let me just delete all the stuff here. Firebase, I have tested it previously. Just let me delete it. Okay. Everything is deleted. Now, if we again go back to our getting started with Firebase hosting, you will see the first thing is to init the hosting. Okay. We will just copy this command and go to our VS Code and just paste this here. Okay, and it will say it will ask us to set up our project. Okay, so here the first thing you have to do is create a new project. Okay, while creating a new project, it will ask for a unique product ID. Okay, from here you can get your unique what do we say, unique URL for your portfolio or for your website. Okay, so here I have already got Atul resume. Now I will just try to get Atul 573. This is my username everywhere on Insta, GitHub, wherever you want to follow. You can follow it by using this. And again, I will give it as Atul 573 only. Okay, it will create a project using Atul 573 username. And whatever the project ID you have given, the same URL you will get once you host your website. So that's the thing you have to keep in mind while creating the project. And it will take a few seconds just to create the project. Yeah, our project is created. And do you want to use the web framework? Just click enter, and you can give a dash. We want to use this directory only as a public directory, and click give n. And for GitHub also we have to give n. They have written 404 HTML for us. Now it is asking to override the index.html. In index.html already code is there, so we are going to give it a n so that it doesn't override. Once it's done, our Firebase initialization is complete. That means our directory is connected to the Firebase. Okay. Now we have to deploy this website. For that, we just have to do Firebase deploy and hit enter. It will take a few seconds. It's a small, just I think few KB file, and it will get deployed. Okay. See, our website is deployed now. Now just control click and we will see whether it's working or not. See, our website is hosted, and also I have got a little bit good URL. For you also, you can get a URL like this. Just keep in mind while giving the project name. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you found this useful, you can hit that like button. And if you have any suggestions, you can comment down below. And for future videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.